Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain how to improve your ping on Fortnite. There's many different things you can do to improve your ping. First, I'd recommend you try restarting your router. Restarting your router can help improve your ping and reduce any latency that you may have. Another thing you can do is if you do not have a wired connection, make sure to use a wired connection, as sometimes with Wi-Fi, the internet could be a bit slow. If you are using Wi-Fi, make sure that your router is in an ideal location within your home. The closer it is to your console or PC, the better connection you'll have. If you have a smart router, you could also try updating your router firmware. If your router has multiple Wi-Fi bands, you should change it to better suit you. For example, if you have a 2-story home and you're playing upstairs and your router is downstairs, it's best to use 2.4 GHz, whereas if you're close to your router, you should use 5 GHz. Lastly, depending on the internet type that you have, you may want to turn off Wi-Fi on different devices that you are not using. That way, then not as many devices will be connected to the Wi-Fi, meaning your internet won't need to connect to as many devices as before. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.